In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Amazon Seller with QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside QuickBooks and how to start the connection so your Amazon sales can flow into your books without extra manual work. First, make sure you're signed into QuickBooks and you're looking at the correct company. This connection is available only with an active QuickBooks subscription, so if you're using a trial or a testing company, you might see the options, but you won't be able to fully complete the connection. Don't worry, the navigation and process are the same, so you can still follow along to learn where everything is. From your QuickBooks home screen, look to the top right of the page. Right beside the settings icon, you'll see Integrations. Click Integrations to open the Integrations area. This is the hub where QuickBooks lists approved apps that can connect to your account. Next, choose Find Integrations. This opens a gallery of available apps. In the search bar, type Amazon Seller to quickly locate the integration. If you prefer to browse, you can also find it under the Recommendations section. Either way, once you see the Amazon Seller option in the results, click it to open its page. Here, you'll land on the overview for the add-in. Take a moment to scan this page so you understand what the app does, what data it can sync, and any notes from the provider. Reviewing the overview now helps set expectations about how your sales and fees will appear later in QuickBooks. When you're ready to proceed, look again to the top right of the page. You'll be prompted to connect the app. Click the Connect button to begin. Keep in mind, this connection pathway works only with a QuickBooks subscription. If the button is disabled or you see a message about eligibility, that's a signal you're in a testing environment or not on a supported plan. If you don't immediately see integrations in the top right, double-check that you're in the correct company and that your user has the right access in QuickBooks. Sometimes visual layout can vary slightly, but the integrations option will still be near the settings area. That's the full process. Open QuickBooks, go to Integrations near the settings, choose Find Integrations, search for Amazon Seller or locate it under Recommendations, open the overview, and use the Connect option at the top right. Even on a testing account, the path is the same, so you'll know exactly where to click when you're on a subscribed company. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to connect Amazon Seller with QuickBooks.